Let's take a look at the Green Toys Racing Truck. So I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in a second, but first let's just take a look at the basics. We've got this Green Toys, we've got the truck on the front here that can turn and pivot. This piece can come off. And then we've got these two little race cars that are separate. They're held on the back, and your kids can open this and those cars will come out and they can race them around. These can connect together, or you can take them off separately, drive these around, and then you can go back onto this race truck transporter thing that takes them around the house. Super durable, very colorful, very fun. They're lightweight. I think it's great for like 2 and up. Even a smaller kid could potentially use it. I use it with my kids up to 6. They're really loving playing with this. But my favorite thing about this overall is that it's actually made using recycled materials. So these are made from recycled milk jugs, believe it or not, and they're able to melt those down and turn them into new plastic and then create these vibrant and very durable toys. Another great thing, it is super easy to clean these, which is great if they're going to be driving these around outside.